Hi, my name is Julie Scornia, and I'm a training coordinator here at LyondellBasell.
My name's Lisa Tate, and I work at the Clinton Lyondell plant. I work in olefins, and I've been with the plant 19 years.
I'm Darlene Lamp, and I'm an engineering manager here at the facility.
Retail just wasn't paying the bills. By the time that I was paying for a babysitter and for my gas back and going back and forth to work, I just wanted something more to help with my family.
I was an armored car driver. I worked at a locksmith shop, and then I got missing home, so I drove home, and it wasn't long, and I found this job, and I found home.
I went to school to be a chemical engineer. I always enjoyed working outside. I enjoy working with my hands. I enjoy moving around. So at that point, I decided I would look into manufacturing and look to do that with my chemical engineering degree.
I didn't think that manufacturing was my path. It was something that provided a good income for my family. It's a job satisfaction for myself. It was very rewarding in both ways. So just keep your options open.
But I started right out of high school doing it, and it was a natural progression for me. Have the mindset that you're going to learn it, you're going to carry your load, and you can do it.
Regardless of whether you think you're going to like something, try it. The only way to know that is to get out there and just explore.
Exciting and interesting, and you're always learning, and there's always room for improvement.
Just lay the groundwork, network, keep asking questions, keep coming every day and doing the job.
Women have a different way of looking at things, but I would argue that every individual has a different way of looking at things. And when you get all of those together, it doesn't matter who is bringing it to the table. The fact is that you're at the table.